Sibambe ngazibini ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha e-SABC lihaye. Njengoko ke ixesha leziyunguma lesondela ngokukhawuleza, abakhenkethi ke abaninzi bacwangcisa iiholide zabo zokuphela konyaka kwaye bajonge indawo zempolo nokuzonwabisa. Iphondo ke laseLimpopo liyaqhubeka ukubalasela njengendawo eyaziwa ngobuhle bendalo, izilwanyana zasendle kunye nenkcubeko. Kanti ke mbukeli ngoku siye sakrweca umhlekazi uMoses Ngobeni, igosa ke liyintloko yesiqeba searhente yezokhenketho yaseLimpopo. Uzakwabelana nathi ke ngobuhle nobumbejembeje baseLimpopo. Mhlekazi Moses, masikubulise sikwamkele apha e-SABC lihaye. Sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho. Absheni.
Aye.
Minjani? Mivukile?
Ipfukile ngopfu.
Nathi sivukile. Siyafuna uqonda into yokubana kuyo le festive season niliphondo laseLimpopo nisiphathele ntoni singuMzantsi Afrika nelizwe liphela?
Yeah, abantu laba vele bazilungisele kuya kumaholidi. Thina eLimpopo sinento eziningi lesi it's one of our attraction lapha eLimpopo, and during this time se-attracta ama-tourists amaningi avelayo outside the country, even domestic. National Park kuphela, you know. Limpopo isekuduze kakhulu nase-Gauteng. So kusuke ePretoria ufike eWaterberg eLimpopo akukuthathi nje ne-hour, mara uma sewufike laphaya ufike endaweni la uzo-enjoya. Kunama-attraction amaningi la nizo-enjoya for indawo zine ama-water sports kufana nabo Aventura Forever Resort. If umuntu uthanda igolf, sinama golf course amaninzi le, you know, golf courses with game in it. So udlala golf and ngalapha ubona ama-antelope. So that's what Limpopo has. But if you come to Magubas Kloof area, you know, the home of the Rain Queen, kunento eziningi, you know, that you can enjoy. If you want hiking, Limpopo as well has got, you know, magnificent hiking trails, and ungaya le uyo enjoy and have, you know, the finest air that you are going to breathe in those areas, and enjoy the catchment areas, and enjoy the mountains, enjoy the scenery. Iloko sinakho nje, and sithi kubonke abantu labafuna ukuza ku holiday or kuphuma this December, Limpopo ina zonke nisifunayo. The only thing that we don't have is the sea lana eLimpopo, but konke kukhona.
And xa uthetha ngayo ndiyandilobeka because zange ndalibeka unyawo lwam eLimpopo. Mhlambe ke uzoba nguvula indlela ukuze nathi si-experience ubuncwane nobumnandi othetha ngabo baseLimpopo. Njengoba utshilo into yokubana kukhona ne-home of the Rain Queen, ndiyacinga into yokubana, I mean, that speaks about the rich cultural heritage iLimpopo enayo. Ungathi mhlawumbe nisebenza njani ukukhuthaza noba mhlawumbe nibeke phambile inkcubeko, i-culture yaseLimpopo, especially kwindaba ye-tourism?
Yeah, sirelaya kuyona i-culture yethu ne-heritage. Limpopo kwamanje ina 2 World Heritage Sites, Mapungubwe World Heritage Site. I mean, lapho kuqale khona civilization. Abantu before machines and everything, labantu bakithi le eMapungubwe, they were trading on gold with the East. That is the rich heritage that we have. Mara, if we are a vendor, you get another living heritage there. And also legendary stories. I mean, kunendawo fana no Lake Fundudzi. It's about the myth and the legend and the heritage. So it's about culture, and iloko sikuthengisayo. If we are eSkhukhune, it's about the heritage yase eSkhukhune. and ilokho sikuthengisayo as a province, and sisebenzisana nalabantu during now kuma festive. These groups ngoba they formed groups, they perform, and they are not performing for free, you know, in various events, so they perform. So sine strategy sesidilayo ne creative industries, and sisebenzisa these people ma culture and heritage, you know, just to perform and also make a living out of it. Mara, this province of ours is rich in culture. I mean, if you speak diversity of culture in South Africa, on with all the provinces, if we are Eastern Cape, it's only one culture. You are KwaZulu-Natal, it's only one culture. But come to Limpopo, you get the Shangaan, you get the vendors, you get the Pedi people, the Swazis, and all of that. So that is the diversity that we have. And during this time, you go to every village, they immerse you with culture. There's a place called Akonuk, which is just outside Hoedspruit. Every weekend, you know, this group, they come together to dance, you know, in a particular area. So themselves, you know, bayenza my innovation and they do something. But Limpopo will immerse you, come, you know, in numbers this festive season. Besides, you know, the rich heritage, besides the animals that we have, nathi vele sina indawo ezihlukileyo, you know, beautiful, unique, la abantu bakithi bangazayo and they enjoy themselves.
Uyabona Mhlekazi Moses, xa uzawuthi eLimpopo kulapho ufumana khona ii-tribes ezohlukileyo. Into ethi ngoku senizibeka encochoyini phezulu niLimpopo nidlula no-Eastern Cape. Kodwa ndiyafuna ukukuxelela into yokubana sinabo khona phaa e-Eastern Cape amashangane nabantu baseLimpopo. Ukhumbule kaloku into yokubana enye into eyenza i-cultural exchange imitshato. Bayatshata oodade bethu betshatela phaa eLimpopo. So uthini ke?
No, that is the richness of South Africa. But you know, if you want abundance, if ufuna ukuza lana uzo enjoy a culture, yeah, the Shangaan people, or a culture, yeah, the Venda people, or a culture, yamapedi, na lezi attire zakhona. Kufana na if ufuna ukubona culture yamaXhosa, you have to go to the Eastern Cape and you get the original. If you want culture yamaZulu, you go to KwaZulu-Natal. So that's what we are saying. But as Limpopo, we've got cultures hlukanayo, 4 diverse cultures lana eLimpopo, and we're not talking about the other tribes, you know, like the Lobedu people that come from the west, and yeah, so that's what we have as a province. And if you come here during this time, you also enjoy. During this time, during Easter, you also enjoy a lot because there are a lot of kunemicimbi eminingi, you know, ivezayo iculture yethu in Limpopo, in the various districts.
Yeah, that is amazing, and I like the fact that ukhona nabantu eniyeni basebenzise ingakumbi, you know, abenza izinto zenkcubeko bakwazi into yokubana babe nento epokothweni, proving that indeed our heritage is our commodity. Siyaqonda into yokubana iLimpopo njengokuba utshilo into yokubana ityebile ngamafa nemveli. Ingaba mhlawumbe njengoko kulixesha likaDisemba ithini i-line up ye-events enizawuthi nibe nayo nabalandeli abangathi mhlawumbe abatyalelayo bazayibona kuyo le festive?
Yeah, no, siqalile, you know, uPremier wethu uDr. Phophi Ramathuba ulonche ne-MEC we-Economic Development. Balonche i-campaign sibizayo Limpopo ngeDisemba, or Limpopo iDisemba ngeSishangane. And that campaign compile ama-activities, ama-events. From the first week, this group, Sapayopa, Yama bikers, all over the country, they were here, and from outside the country for 3-4 days. Thereafter, we also proud as Limpopo. So was there, for the second time, Carling Cup, Pirates, ne team, Marumo Gallants. Lana ePulukwane, and it was activities. Uma bantu baqeda laphaya besine I festival ye youth, yamaPhunguphe youth, neLikompo. Likompo as well, music loba wenzelana eLimpopo. It's originally from here because the artists, the creative industry, but they've taken advantage of culture yethu, and they created a music genre called Likompo. So that Saturday, also on the 6th, we're having that. The following week, it was Mapungubwe. But not only that, you know, we have got various activities that have been lined up. Like this weekend, one of your own SABC Mungana Lonene, they are having their EXMA Awards just in this area. And those have been packaged together. But every weekend, Limpopo, now in December, there are activities in various districts. Limpopo has got 5 districts. Every district has got events and activities. And we invite people, come, nizo enjoy. Culture yethu, nizo enjoy music, genres. You know, some of the guys, ngiyathemba ukuthi you know Master KG, you know uMakhadzi, and Makhadzi this weekend une show yakhe, one woman show in that area at Thohoyandou. So it's a lot of those activities that we have. So people who are coming, every district, people are spoiled for choice. And then siyovala ngomhla 28 with the biggest, before we go to the crossover. Sine festival bayibiza ukuthi imakarapa, ihostiwa eSikhukhune area, in the place called Ranchabeleng. So you go there, you enjoy, you spend your time, your weekend. It's going to be busy. So yeah, we have got a lot of activities. If abantu bafuna ukubona ukuthi exactly what's happening in the various districts, bangaya ku website yethu www.golimpopo.com, and then bazobona my activities la siwa line upile the whole of this December until the 31st. And then we go into the new year.
Kusho ukuthi ubuthongo soze ubone kwawena soyobona ngoJanuary kwezi events ezingaka.
Angeke ngibone neholiday ayikho.
Yo.
This time is the time kumele si welcome ama visitors, sibatshengise what Limpopo has. We have packaged everything. Then after January, then one will rest as well.
Uresta njani? Sifuna uzapha eLimpopo ngoJanuary kaloku nathi. So kusho ukuthi nathi kufuneka usamkele.
Yeah, even January. Yeah, and also sine festival yamarula. Iyeza ngomhla ka7 March. So ngeke vele sithi sihlala phansi, you know. From now we'll be promoting that one because it's one of the biggest, and it's out of the heritage and culture. Yeah. You know, marula is a traditional fruit, and we encourage, you know, communities. We work with communities in the rural areas. Basiyenzela, I mean, KwaZulu-Natal also banayo umthai. But in Limpopo, when you come here, you'll see what the people have done. And now, abantu bakithi, especially rural women, they go into the bush, harvest the fruit, come and sell, you know, to the festival. Yeah. But not only the festival, they also produce oil and other commodities that are being sold. So it's a all year round commodity that people are using. So yeah, umasiqeda Limpopo ka December, which will go until end of January. Then we go into another gear, Marula Festival, which is going to take place on the 7th of March in Phalaborwa. I mean, that gate where you are showing now, Kruger National Park, that's where Marula Festival take place.
Amazing. And ndiyafuna uqonda kuba kaloku yonke le enjoyment, it has to be done safely. Ingaba mhlambe iphondo likulungele kangakanani ukuba i-tourists zifikelele emgaqweni? Sentsho ingaba mhlambe zikhona i-alternative routes ezikhoyo kwaye mhlambe ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana ezeziphi indlela kwakunye ne-transport ezikhoyo abantu preferably abangathi bazisebenzise kule festive?
Yeah, no, thina sebenzisana ephondo la transport ne community safety. Sebenzisana kakuhle, bayenze iplan yabo ilonchilwe ngomhla ka5 December. So now it's running. We can assure tourists whether usebenzisa N1, whether usebenzisa N11 or the rural road, your R101, your R37, R36, because these are the routes that connect Limpopo with the N1, your R71, you know, from Polokwane to Palabora, R81, that takes you to the Kruger on the other side in the north. Bakhona, there is visibility of the police, there is visibility of the traffic officers. And sithi kubantu, you know, don't even take a chance. Drive safely, because we are there, want to take care, want to make sure that even these incidents of accidents, they are reduced in Limpopo, and that is the reason. And all the roads are fine. The department dealing with roads and also road agency Limpopo, bayenze ukuthi, no, they fix some pothole and make sure that, you know, our roads are safe, are drivable. So ilokho sinakho, but we encourage people, if you are coming with buses, if you are coming with taxis, bayenze sure ukuthi akunama overload, because on the roads amaphoyisa akhona. You might enjoy or cross over being in the prison. So, and that's not what we want. But the thing that we want to make sure we don't do, it's people dying during this time. Asifuni ukuthi abantu they lose their life. Ilokho senze ukuthi sineplan premier uyilontshe ne-MEC with transport and community safety, and nathi sisebenza now.
And ndithande kakhulu because bathe xa beyilontsha le campaign ethi it starts with me, babonisa umzekelo omhle nalapho bebophe abantu abathe kratya ku-70 ababenxilile emgaqweni, kananjalo basusa nemoto ezibalelwa kwi-17 ebekuthiwa akumelanga into yokubana zisemgaqweni, into ethi noko yonke lena into bayichophele ezithendeni. Siyaqonda ke Mhlekazi uMoses into yokubana during i-winter you also had i-winter campaign, nalapho nifuna into yokubana nifuna ukudonsa abantu abalapha ekhaya nangaphaya kwemida, because you also have visitors from Europe, abantu ababalelwa kwi-10 million. Ndiyafuna ukuqonda into yokubana has that been achievable okanye i-goal isachochela ngasemnyango?
Yeah, it's achievable, and lokho sikutshengisayo during winter. City, come to Limpopo, we have got areas like Kruger National Park. They don't experience winter there. It's a place of two summers. You know, it's a real summer and the mild summer. Now is the real summer. Kushushu kancinci. But you come in winter, you enjoy. If uvela eGauteng or those provinces that are called Free State, if uza a Kruger National Park, you just enjoy like a spring in your area. So iloko vele sikuyenza, so sinama packages, loko sikuyenza sebenzisana ne tourism industry, basinikeza ama packages, siwa package, siwa launch, sisebenze no SABC ukuthi no, sitshele abantu, if you want to come like those beds zisuka eEurope uma it's cold, and come to Limpopo, and we say come to Limpopo, and you know, and inkhumbuza endaweni sibizayo in-Nels Flay, it's a Ramsar site, international Ramsar site. Every year there are birds that come migrate from Europe and come here, and you know, yes, and when it is summer again in Europe, those birds also migrate and go back. Now they've come, you know, to Limpopo. So when you come to Limpopo, you might also bump into those international birds.
So zisuka,
you know, so yeah,
zisuka eNantsikeni, zisuka eEurope, zithi nti apho eLimpopo. Ayo chemical engineering yaseLimpopo phofu. Kuthani good kaloku nakwinto ze-lightning.
No, Aiko, you know, these birds, they know. They migrate, and they know during this time they migrate and go to other areas. When it's summer again in Europe, zibuyele emuva. So we have got that history. We have got bird guides. Bazonitshengisa ukuthi these ones are not South African birds, but these ones are European birds. And you know, that's what we showcase. So there are a lot of people who are into birding. Ngaleso sikhathi bayeza eLimpopo, especially Nels Flay, bazo enjoy, you know, watching those birds there. So Limpopo ina hinkwaso.
Yeah, hayi uyavuma no director la indlebeni uthi hayi injalo kanye ziways zethu ezo. Ndiyafuna ukuqonda Mhlekazi Moses because I mean oyena nto ebalulekileyo is that with all the beauty ubuhle nobumbejembeje yenkcubeko yaseLimpopo kukuba there is job creation and naxathi siyajonga ngekota ka-2024 ukuya ku-2025 niye naveza umbono omhle nalapho nisitsho into yokubana nicreate imisebenzi ethe kratya ku-740,000 ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana kulo nyaka ezithini izicwangciso nawuqinisekisa njani into yokubana niyabandakanya abantu basekuhlaleni ingakumbi abantu abatsha kuba siyaqonda into yokubana chaphazela kakhulu bona indaba yentswelangqesho.
Yeah, you know, plan yethu ye-province ye-Limpopo Development Plan, sine target ye-tourism. Kwamanje besiku 740,000, but we want to reach 1 million and go above, you know, in terms of job creation. And into sisebenzisayo ama-events, because if singakhona ukuthi every week or every month we have got major events at Limpopo, it means even those temporary jobs that we have now, we'll convert them into permanent jobs. And that's what we want to do. We are working very hard, working with training institutions, laba train ama-chefs khona, laba train ama-tourist guides khona, sisebenza nabo these people, laba train ama-hospitality services khona, sisebenza nabo ukuthi these people uma baceda bayenza ama-practical wabo, sibangenise bangene kuma-hotel, bayenze ama-practical so that when there are opportunities, they are the first, you know, to be called online. But the good thing, it's not only in tourism, even in the economy, general economy, Limpopo surpassed the national target. I mean, in the second quarter, there was an increase, I think, national of 0.9%, but Limpopo, the contribution of Limpopo was 0.9. So it shows you that as a province, we are working hard, not only in tourism, but mining, agriculture, because these are the three economic things that we have as a province. And we work very hard to make sure we grow and make sure that it creates jobs, you know, especially for the youth. But as tourism, you know that tourism is the new gold now. We only suffered during COVID, but now it's a recovery. And that is the reason you see those numbers. We will be happy when the statistician general announces, you know, the end of the year stats in terms of job creation. Vasitshengise ukuthi, you know, as Limpopo, we have surpassed that 740. We are now at 900 or 1 million. We will be very much happy. And that is our target, actually. So once we reach 1 million, our target will be to go higher, maintain, sustain the 1 million, because into sifunayo, we want to work with the tourism industry. Not so long in October, Fly Safari launched a new route from Cape Town to Hoedspruit Airport.
Yes.
Eastgate Airport. So Eastgate Airport gives us numbers, and we are saying the more numbers they attract, it means they will create more jobs. But also, the tourism industry is growing in that area. They've got new establishments. They just opened a new one, the Radisson Safari Hotel in Hoedspruit, which now appoints 138, you know, staff members. We would want to make sure we create a demand and they can grow the numbers and appoint 250, because that's what we want. And we are saying to the tourism industry, we are going to make sure that we grow this industry together and create the much needed jobs.
Yeah, and I love the collaboration. I mean, njengokubusitsho siyathemba into yokubana kwixa elizayo niyobe nithe kratya ku-1 million nisuke ku-740,000. Ndiyafuna ke ngoku into yokubana unikrobisele kwezi ganeko ebendithi ndiyazibona xa ndijonga malunga nendaba ye-hunting eLimpopo. Siyasava ingxelo esuka kwi-SANDF nalapho isitsho into into yokubana elinye lamasosha ayabe kanti ayantyumzwa lade labe kanti liyabhubha ngenxa yokutyumzwa yi-elephant. Loo nto yenzeke phaa eMadimbo eLimpopo. Kananjalo siphinde futhi sabona enye ihanta ekuthiwa yahlatywa yabulalwa yibhafalo ngethuba ibihanta. Ndiyafuna nje usityebisele ngezehlo into yokubana zixhaphake kangakanani, kwaye ingaba mhlawumbe ikhona i-warning ofuna mhlawumbe ukuyidlulisa kubantu mhlawumbe indawo ekumele ukuthi abazihambi okanye kubantu that are hunters.
Yeah, into esifuna kuyihambisa kubantu is that if we are in the areas where elephants come out, especially on the borders of Kruger National Park, Mapungubwe National Park, kwenzeka ukuthi some of the elephants, they come out there and they are angry because the hunters were hunting them inside the game reserve. So kumele abantu baqaphele, you know, they must be awake uma bahlangana nazo ngoba they are dangerous. You know, a wounded animal is very dangerous, especially elephants and buffaloes. A lion, anyway, you can't even play, you know, whether it's wounded, and also it's the same with the cheetahs, whether they are wounded or not, they are those dangerous ones. So abantu uma bahamba indaweni lezo kumele baqaphele, but hunting is big eLimpopo. The challenge that we have is that you find ukuthi kunabantu abatrainwanga kahle, because you need hunting outfitters to go and promote, and those people must work with trained hunters so that uma nihamba niyenza it's activity hunting, which has got money. I mean, one rhino, people pay a lot of money.
Awunokwazi ungiqasha
for it.
ndingene. Kaloku xa
Amathuba
uthetha
akhona, but you
nemali
must train. Kumele uyotrain and become a trained hunter or a hunting outfitter, so that you package and sell those ones. Kwamanje nje December, January, we've got a lot of our people who will be going into USA, going into Europe to go and sell, because that's where Limpopo gets the international tourists. And by the way, in terms of hunting, we get the much numbers, you know, compared to all other provinces, because Limpopo has got more than 60%, you know, of hunting areas compared to any other area in the country. So the country that compares with Limpopo, it's Namibia. But what we are saying, ikuthi people mabaqaphele. When you go hunting, you must go with a trained person, so that as a hunter, if you are a shooter and awibulal, especially buffalo, you must know it's coming for you. And a lion, you must know it's coming for you. Actually, if you hit a lion at 200 meters, it might come and fall just a meter away from you if you have hit it nicely. But that's what we have. We need trained people. If you are not trained, that's where we have got all these incidences, like what happened to the person, the hunter that was killed by a buffalo. He wounded it and he thought it's dead. So you need a trained hunter that is going to help you to say yes and certify that indeed now we can get out of the vehicle to go and walk.
Because that's exactly what happened.
Yeah, that is exactly what happened. So we need people who are skilled, who can make sure. And remember, it's many years that we never had this incident. It's only now that we had it. We don't know whether the outfitter or the hunting guy was inexperienced, asazi logo, and that's what, you know, they tried to check when they were doing investigations. But yeah, sisebenzisana nabo labantu neFAZA, which is an association idila hunting. So iloko, all of us, we preach the same message. Do responsible hunting, get people who are trained. It's like amateurs, we encourage them. If you want to do a game drive, get trained tourist guides. Don't just get people, because even in the Kruger, you might be charged by animals. So if a trained guide, the trained guide know how to respond
Yeah.
in those situations.
I like the
Iloko
fact that,
sikufunayo, so that
yes, into enibeka phambili kukuba mabafumane uqeqesho, because abanye abantu mhlambe umuntu uzawuzenza uGoliath aqonde ukubana ndizayinqoba le buffalo or loo ndlulamthi nantoni na, but ke ufumanise nakwindawo ezikwamalwandle, ingakumbi abantu xa bekwiimpembelelo zotywala, omnye uzawungena elwandle kanti kukubhubha kwakhe. So ndiyayithanda kakhulu eso silumkiso. Sisathetha ngesilumkiso, siyaqonda into yokubana no-South African Weather Service ukhuphe isilumkiso ngamaphondo ohlukileyo kuquka nephondo laseLimpopo. Siyaqonda ke into yokubana kuyatshisa kakhulu ke Limpopo, kwaye ke siyaqonda even during this festive season sizawulindela izanyonyo zemvula kwakunye nokududuma ne-lightning ikhona kuyo le festive season. Ndiyafuna nje into yokubana uxhobise abantu abazabe betyelela eliphondo laseLimpopo kwakunye neentlelo eninazo uqinisekisa into yokubana nakubeni kuzoba khona utshintsho kwimozulu kodwa nina izixhobo zenu zikulungele.
Yeah, sikulungele lokho sikushoyo kubantu ama-visitors wethu nabantu bazotravela ukuthi mayibaqaphele. If it's raining, get a place, park your car, ungathathi nje ama-decisions azokubeka engozini, make sure that even if you know this road beyihamba lana ngoba kungenzeka it comes and it flood the road away, and when ucabanga ukuthi no, the road is still proceeding, kanti no, the bridge is gone. So iloko sithi kubantu mabaqaphele. If it's raining, stop. Don't take unnecessary risks. Whether uyayazi indawo or awuyazi, and iloko sikushoyo kwabantu, but ama-traffic officers wethu, they are on high alert. Namaphoyisa is part of this festive season campaign yokumeka sure ukuthi abantu bethu batravela baphephile. If there rains, certain roads will be closed and they will be on alert, basebenzisana nezimasipala, just to make sure that our people are safe. And we don't want people to be flooded, whether it's homestead, whether it's hotels. Ngoba you also know there are people bahamba bayobuild on the low flooded areas where they are not supposed to build, and it's because they are not aware. Some of them, they go there without permission of municipalities. It's an area which is not zoned, so kuningi, which contribute to that. But people must know that climate change is with us. Seasons are no longer predictable. It can happen anytime that we experience flooding, like it has been projected. It may happen. And if it happens, mabaqaphele, just park your car in a safe place. Make sure that if there is hail, get a filling station or a place where it's protected. You can park your car and wait until the rain has subsided. It's then that you can drive. Iloko sikushoyo kwabantu ukuthi no, mabaqaphele, and they must travel safe. We want to get statistics that Limpopo has now reached 10 million travelers, domestic travelers, not about death. No one is happy when there is death on the road. So sithi abantu laba bazothatha ama-trip to Limpopo mabaqaphele, but our traffic officers are on the road. Mabayime babuze. Sometimes people just drive. If you get traffic officers, they are not there only for fines. Stop, ask them, is this road fine? Can I proceed? If it's raining or it has been raining, did you hear anything? Because I need to communicate. We've got a good network of communication. So even if you are in Waterberg, or you are in Mopani, or you are in Vembe, if something has happened on the other side, you are able to get it if you ask.
Siyathemba into yokubana abantu bazokonwaba ngaxeshanye kube khona ukhuseleko. Siyabulela kakhulu kuba usityebisele ngobuhle nobumbejembeje beliphondo laseLimpopo, ingakumbi xa sijonga kwezokhenketho. Kodwa into endingathi into yokubana ndiye ndayichola kukuba ndingatsho ndithi uluntu lwaseLimpopo lukrelekrele kakhulu xa kuzawuyiwa kwizinto zoqoqosho, kuba kaloku eyona nto eniyenzayo niyaqokelelana nibe yimbumba, nenza izinto zenu zinisebenzele, laa nto ethi i-heritage yenu is your commodity. Nabantu abasuka ngaphesheya bayatyala kuba bebona into yokubana niyimbumba. Masibambe ngazibini, kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuba ndikudedele kuba kaloku i-Chief Executive Officer ndiyafuna ke into yokubana uthathe i-executive decision kuba nathi siyarhalela ukutyelela iLimpopo njengokuba sowubalisile, nathi sizifuna ukuzibona silapho. Sicela usihoste siyi-SABC Lihayi.
Siyithathile that executive decision. You are welcome. Uma launcher our Easter campaign end of February, so that you can also come and cover Marula Festival. Invitation, it's on you now.
Hayi ke
Sizonihosta.
abaqulunqi bethu bavile ke zonke iinkcukacha ne-viewers zethu zivile. Sizawubuye sinikeze i-feedback into yobana jonga siyile, futhi nje sifuna nje nisibhukhele ibhasi kuba sawuhamba sonke apha estudio. Hlekazi uMoses, masibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho, ube nosuku olumnandi.
Siyabonga. Thanks very much.
Right, bukeli we-SABC Lihayi besihlala indlebe naye umhlekazi uMoses Ngobeni, igosa ke eliyinhloko yesigqeba se-arhente yezokhenketho yaseLimpopo. Kanti ke mbukeli besixelela banzi ngokuthi yintoni ongathi uyilindele kuyo eliphondo, ingakumbi kuyo le festive season.